Gardens by Chilo and Susanna. We make beautiful fountains from design to build. Today I'm going to show you how to unclog your water feature pump. First of all, you have to unplug it. So I'm going to go back there and unplug it. I'll be right back. Right back here is the electrical plug to the fountain. So you pull it out, very simple. And you can see up front here, the water stops, of course. And then, if you look down in here, you see all that muck, which is dead leaves and just dirt and debris and anything that blows in. This comes from blowing your garden or storms in the when we have weather storms or just whatever. So you take your hand down and you grab that. This was a piece of leaf from something. You just grab all of that stuff and you pull it out of the pump housing. Every pump has a little bit of a net around it, a plastic net we call it, and I'll show you some here. This is one. It's a big pump just like that one. A lot of you have tiny little pumps. The principle is the same. So what happens here is the water gets sucked in through this net. This has a pipe that comes out to it and goes to all 5 of those scuppers or one, whatever your fountain has. So this is the part that has to be cleaned. This section will come off and then that gets cleaned. If you don't want to take this section off and disconnect the pump, you do what I just did and you get your hand. That's all I did when I was in there, and I raked my hand off of it and get all of the debris from around it, okay? So now you can see everything that I pulled out from around the pump is laying right here on the ground. There's a little bit more in there. Some people have a net and that's fine. I'm not doing that today, but that's how you clean your water feature pump. So now let me plug it in and you can see how wonderfully it works. So there you have, your pump is now clean. You can clean out all the debris. If need be, you can use a net. The water flows out of here nicely. I can turn the valves up in the back and make more or less water, but there you are.